It will rain balls. I mean, it will rain sixes tomorrow. It will rain fours tomorrow.
Hey, RCB!
RCB.
अच्छा लगेगा आरसीबी फैन होना।
RCB qualifies for the playoff.
One of the biggest rivalries of IPL is RCB versus CSK, and tomorrow, which is also a do or die, is between RCB and CSK in Bengaluru's Chinnaswamy Stadium. Now, CSK is almost on the verge of qualifying, but RCB is the only team that is stopping them and or has a chance of stopping them and going through to the qualifiers themselves. We'll have to see whether the match is going to happen or not, because the weather report has been saying that there are chances of rain tomorrow which might stop the play. But the good thing, especially for RCB, is that Chinnaswamy Stadium is equipped with one of the best drainage system in any sporting stadium, which guarantees that whatever rain happens, if it stops within the next 15 to 20 minutes, all of the drains will be cleaned up and the pitch will be ready for play again within 20 minutes of the rain stopping, which is a very good sign for RCB, because RCB desperately needs to win to qualify, while CSK can just sit back and enjoy if the rain stops play and get the one split point, which will ensure that they qualify for the qualifiers going forward. Now, while all of that is said, how can RCB qualify? Just a win won't suffice for them, because RCB will have to win the match if they bat first with a target of more than 200 and a win margin of more than 18 runs. And if they are chasing, they will have to finish the match by 18.1 overs. That is 109 balls, which means they'll have to finish the match with almost 11 balls to spare. Whether that will happen or not, we'll only get to know tomorrow. But the fans here are certainly very excited for the match. Like every other stadium throughout India, even Bangalore seems to be split between the MS Dhoni craze and their home team. While the people of Bengaluru, the hardcore people of Bengaluru, are saying that RCB is going to win. They are saying Isala Cup Namde. The people who are die-hard fans of Chennai are saying that this might be the last season where we see MS Dhoni playing, and that is why CSK is definitely going to win. ಯಾವ टीम ಗೆಲ್ಲುತ್ತೆ? कौन सा टीम जीतने वाला है कल? RCB या CSK?
CSK team.
CSK, of course.
CSK क्यों?
It might be Dhoni's last season, so we want to give him a farewell. That's why.
What do you think?
CSK.
CSK.
Yes.
Will Dhoni play tomorrow?
Yes, of course. Obviously.
Who do you think MS Dhoni is going to play tomorrow?
Hopefully, the last match.
Hopefully he's playing good tomorrow.
You also think CSK is going to win?
Yeah, it's definitely CSK will win.
MSD.
But there's also forecast of rain tomorrow. Do you think rain is going to spoil the whole thing?
Probably if they see the environment, I don't think so. It will not rain.
Okay.
Yeah, today also is 80% chances is there, right? But there is no rain that time, right? Maybe definitely is there rain is happen? Is there? We can play only 5 overs. Is there enough for me, right?
But do you want CSK to qualify through rain, or do you want to see the match against RCB?
Through the win, RCB again. and
CSK fan will win.
I know that.
We love all CSK.
I'm from RCB. RCB will win, definitely.
RCB will win?
Yes,
Yeah?
sure.
Who else says RCB is going to win?
Hey, RCB!
RCB will win.
No, definitely.
CSK.
This is a home ground for RCB. This is the home ground for
Wherever Dhoni
RCB.
is there, the all should be a home ground.
No, this is the home ground for RCB. So definitely RCB will win.
Okay. Who else says RCB is going to win tomorrow?
This is Karnataka, and definitely Bangalore will win. And it will not rain, it will rain balls. I mean, it will rain sixes tomorrow, it will rain fours
Yes,
tomorrow.
yes, fours, sixes.
And what Ravi Shastri said, it will be the same thing for Virat Kohli. But he said for Dhoni, but Virat Kohli will hit the last 6 and they'll say RCB qualifies for the playoff.
So like every other stadium in India, even Chinnaswamy is split between CSK and RCB only because of MS Dhoni. But the home fans here, the Bengalurians, are saying that RCB is definitely going to win and Virat Kohli is going to have the last laugh. Well, we'll have to wait and watch what is going to happen tomorrow. But until then, stay tuned to So South. With video journalist Shiv Shankaraya, Sanjay Ponnappa for India Today, So South.